Hello everyone. So I'll be giving a demo of how we'll set up BeVigil CI plugin on our local system. So for that, first step is to just have a Jenkins, Java, and Android tools installed in your system. So once all of these are installed, first step is to just install the BeVigil plugin uh, in your Jenkins pipeline. So to do that, go to Manage Jenkins, then go to Manage Plugins, click on Available Plugins, and here just go and search for BeVigil plugin. So for me, it's not coming up because it's already installed on the system. So as you can see, you can go to install plugin and check if the plugin is installed or not. After installing it, the second step would be for us to just set up the configuration variables. So to do that, go to Manage Jenkins, go to Configuration System, then scroll down, go to Global Properties, uh, click on Environment Variables. Then we need to add two paths here. So one first would be the Android home path, which would be the path of your Android SDK. So just add the variable here and add the path here. And the second variable would be the Java home. So the Java home would be the path of the Java JDK installed in your system. So you need to add that here. After adding that, click on save, and yeah, now all our configuration uh, is done. Now what we have to do is click on new item, and then just add the like pipeline name. So let's name it as uh, BeVigil plugin demo. Yeah. So then click on freestyle project. After this, we need to do some settings in this particular project. So first, go to source code management, select Git. Here, I'll be using some open source repository, but you can configure your Git repo here. So I've put the Git repo here. Then you can just select the branch which you want to build. After doing that, you have to go down and go to the build steps. So for first, click on add build steps, and then we have to go and select invoke Gradle script. Then you have to go to use Gradle wrapper, make Gradle, click on make Gradle executable. Then just add the wrapper location. Then just add the like command which you want the Gradle to invoke. So here for us it would be assemble debug. Then after this, you have to click on I have to add another build step. So click on scan your app with BeVigil. Then just enter the API key, select the app type, then go and select the app path where your Gradle will build the APK. So you have specified the assemble debug command here. Wherever the APK would be built, we need to specify that here. So after specifying the app path, you need to specify the package name. Uh, then you have to specify the scan timeout. Then you have to just mention the severity threshold. So what this severity threshold is, if you have any if you select low, then all the low, medium, and high security issues would be present in the security report that BeVigil plugin gives you at the end. If you select medium, so all the medium and high security issues would be uh, present in the security report, and if you select high, only the high security issues would be present in the report. After doing all the configuration, you have to click on apply, and then click on save. So now all our configuration of the project is done. Now we have to go and just build this project. So for that, you can go on build now, and as you can see, build has already started. You can go and just check the console output, and after a while this a like APK would be built and a security report would be generated. As you can see, after a while, the build got successful, and we can see this report summary of all the issues present in the app, as well as a detailed security report, which anyone can open and just see the security issues in the app. So, yeah, thanks for watching.